It's super windy right now. I wonder how the internal mic sounds. Check out this amazing view though. So I just picked up the Insta360 Luna Ultra. Even though I already have the Pocket 4, I got enticed and seduced by that detachable screen. I was interested for a while, but I kind of sat back and kind of watched it because for every single first gen new release, there's always quirks to work out. It seemed like the Luna Ultra had a lot of problems to begin with. So apparently there was a firmware update that fixes most of the issues that it was having. So now I think this is a more complete camera than it was first launched. I love the Pocket 4. I bring this with me everywhere. I did a lot of shoots with it. I did a lot of event coverage with it as well, and interviews for like social media. And this thing has never failed me. So the one thing that's annoying about DJI products is that they don't come with a hard case. I don't know why they don't come with a hard case. However, the Luna Ultra does come with a nice hard case. And I just think that's the most underrated thing about these cameras. I do not understand why they don't come with a hardcover case. But with that said, for the DJI, you can get third-party accessories. Like this one, I picked it online. It has a full protective back and it has a quick release cover. So all you do is put it on and it has magnets here and you can snap it closed. And you can slip it in your pocket, which is a lot easier. It just sucks that they don't offer anything like this right off the bat. You just have to look elsewhere to get it. So this is what comes with the Insta360 Luna Ultra standard combo. So it comes with this nice hard case. I feel like this is such an underrated accessory. Like, I don't know why DJI stopped making these hard cases or stopped innovating on these hard cases, because I feel like every single camera, especially these cameras, should have one. And this one has a nice quick release feature, which is actually really nice. And it also comes with this base, which attaches the same way as the DJI would. So on the bottom here, it just clips in and you lock it in. It gives you that 1/4-inch thread mount. And as well for this one, it gives you these tripod legs. Like, it's honestly kind of flimsy. I don't picture myself using this often or if ever, but it's there if you need it. It also comes with a USB-C cable and a lanyard. So it also comes with this thing. I have no clue what this is for. So the first thing I did was connect to the app and update the Insta360 Luna Ultra. So everything's up to date now. So I'm going to take some time, go through the settings and set it to how I want it to be. And then I'm going to try this guy out. To be honest, I don't know if I want to do a comparison video between these two cameras because they're just not the same thing. And there's already a lot of videos out there that you can see with the comparisons. I kind of want to just use this camera and have fun with it.